Hey everyone, I'm making kind of a casual video here that I'm just shooting with my phone because I don't want anyone who doesn't follow me on Instagram to miss out. I'm doing a 24-hour promo where I'm giving away the plans to the modern bench. So if you want those, I'll put a link in the description, or it's right on my website. Of course, you have to put your email in there. It's kind of the way to build my email list, and that's, to be honest with you, that's exactly what I'm trying to do. So anyway, I thought that was a good project. I think it's a good kind of beginner, maybe intermediate project. I built it with Douglas fir. I talk about that in the video. I think the material cost was only 40 bucks. But if I were to build it again, I'd probably use cherry, walnut, or maybe white oak. And I think that I made the top, I think on the plans it might be 1.25 inches or 1 1/8 inches, which is a little bit heavy. I might go down to just 1 inch, maybe taper the bottom off a little bit, kind of make it a little bit lighter. But really you can kind of do anything that you want with it. But it's very clear, very easy to understand, and there's a free video tutorial that goes with it. So if you're just kind of getting into woodworking and you're looking for a project, I think that's a good project. And when I built that, I originally was planning to build that for the old house in Vermont that I sold about 4 years ago. But the idea was it would be a place for my kids to take their shoes off when they came in and out of the house. So it's very strong. So a good strong bench, a good project. And if you're looking for something to build, definitely go and check that out. I am eventually going to do some kind of a shop tour. Kind of a sneak peek if we want to look around real quick. I've got the joiner over here. I finally have that hooked up to dust collection. That works really nice. After 30 years of woodworking, I've never had dust collection on the jointer. I've got an Oliver planer over here that I'm just testing out. Just on Instagram, I did a short video about that yesterday. And like I said, right out of the box, it's really nice, but I've only just thrown a couple of pieces of wood through here, or through there. Here's a piece of maple that I sent through. You can see that's got some figure on it, and it did a nice job. It's got a bird helical head, so that's kind of what the marketing thing is. In here, the new finishing room, not much is going on in there. And yeah, I kind of want to wait to do a really good, thorough shop tour until we, I kind of finish up some of these other things. But you know what? The landscape has changed a lot because of the weather. And if you're following me on Instagram, you know this, but we'll just go ahead and take a look around. This is the shed. This is the connected area. So this is a look at it from the outside. And then this is the area for storing all of my outdoor tools. And that actually works really good. I know that a few people were kind of concerned that the tools would be outside all year round. But, they're kind of out of the weather. I'm not too worried about it. That's kind of neat, isn't it? Anyway, that's it. You can let me know what you think of this casual approach to posting a short video to try to keep you filled in about what's going on here. Like I said, a lot of people who follow me on Instagram get this because I'll do it on stories, or I'll talk about these kind of more casual things on stories. But if you're not following me on Instagram, you're not seeing those. So, okay, hope everybody has a nice Sunday, and I'll see you soon.